Namaste. Are you surprised to see my new avatar? Well, because PepTech India has come up with a new avatar. That means now we are in Gurugram as well. Yes, Gurugram, whatever you call it, right? So you folk out there in Gurugram wanted to join us for a long time. So now is the time. Anytime you can communicate with us, and numbers of course are given in the description below, as well as you can log on to our website, that's peptalkindia.com, anytime. And I'm really excited to meet you guys of Gurugram. So what are you waiting for? Let's just get connected, okay? So getting back to the business, why we are today meeting again, because I am going to give you something really interesting for your career growth. Now what's that? Do you see that 90% people get cold feet when it comes to interviews? That's right. And 80% time, I'm not literally getting into mathematics right now, I'm just roughly giving you the figure, that 80% time it is not because they do not have the required skills, the soft skills, the hard skills, or subject matter expertise. It is because of confidence. Is that what you're saying? Well, yes, but how can we overcome that? So the solution is something that I'm going to give you right now, right here. But before that, let me ask you something. Have you watched the series Sherlock Holmes? No, I haven't got the sponsorship from there that I'm asking you to watch. I'm asking you to watch because I want to create a common ground for both of us to understand this video thoroughly so that you can take the most advantage out of this video. All right? So what's that? If you have watched Sherlock Holmes, they talk about mental map a lot. And what's that? There have been a lot of research. There have been a lot of theories in the principle talked by different psychologists so far, and most of them have come to the conclusion that if you are able to create a mental map for everything you do in advance, chances are you're going to do far better than you ever imagined. Let me clarify it a bit more. So what is mental map and how it is going to help you? Well, as per the psychologist, mental map is something where you create a kind of map in your brain right here to let your brain find something not risky and find something in amalgamation and find something in congruency and find something in connection. That's right, connection. Our brain loves connections. That's why our brain loves stories. That's why we connect more with the people who tell you the basic stories about their life, and it becomes way easier to trust such people, right? And that is where we're gonna get into creating our own mental map for everything that we do. So here we're talking about interview skills. We're talking about the people who get cold feet before the interview. Tomorrow you have got an interview, you're all panicked, you're getting cold feet, you do not know how you're gonna react, what you're going to wear. I don't know exactly what questions are going to be asked. If such thought really paralyze your brain, it's here, the mental map, right? Take the advantage of mental map, and anytime be sure of you're gonna do 100% justice with your performance, with the skill sets that you have learned so far, with the ideas that you have developed over time and you wanted to pitch, and you literally want to pitch it so good to the people you're going to talk to, but you're getting cold feet. Mental map right there. Let me help you how to do that. So what all we do, as I mentioned before, that as a lot of research suggests that our brain loves connection, right? So there are some principles which also suggest that before you see the whole picture, it becomes easier for our brain to connect the different dots and create something out of it. That means the shapes, the stories, the connection, the maps, right? So what we're gonna do tomorrow, I've got an interview. So what I'm going to wear tomorrow, I'm going to plan it in advance. What kind of interview it is? It is the interview in the office or somewhere, probably it's some restaurants or some cafe, right? So plan it in advance. So okay, it's in cafe. All right, so it's in cafe. I'm going to wear something that's soothing, that's professional at the same time. It creates connection. It's not that it's not going to help me appear cocky, right? It's going to be bit friendly, bit professional. So whatever the requirement and personality that you have, that suits, right? So mental map is, okay, this is what I'm going to wear. This is going to create impact to the people I'm going to talk to. Okay, what kind of question they can ask? what kind of interview it is. First, you can think about it as well. And of course, we all go through ample of, a number of, and numerous question answer practice. Still, we stay unsure of our performance. So those question answer that you have practiced so much, now, well, this is the time you fit it right there in the mental map. Right, the map that you've created. I'm wearing this, I have gone there, and how are you going? You're going by car, you're going by metro, whatever it is, just live it in advance. Imagine everything in advance, and trust me, it's going to help you the most, because your brain is going to feel tranquility. Your brain is going to literally feel in their skin, right? So not a lot of issues your brain is going to face, and it's not going to be a threatening signal. You're not going to get scared, hence you are going to show a lot of confidence. And when you are able to exude confidence to people while talking, well, your job is just done. Communication plus confidence is equivalent to a great impression. And about hard skills, soft skills, and the requirement of subject matter expertise, well, you're prepared with it. So if tomorrow is your interview, or day after tomorrow is your interview, or after a month is your interview, or anybody that you know is going to appear in any kind of interviews, help them create mental map. So what kind of question I'm going to be asked, what I'm going to be wearing, how I'm going to reach there, right? And apart from this mental map idea and the psychology of our brain, how does our brain work? If you need any kind of help, anytime, people not just in Gurugram, but anywhere in Delhi or all over the country, join us, meet us, talk to us. We have solution for any kind of problem related to public speaking, communication, and your personality's